Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project I'm calling the Red Wolf. Alright, this is a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands, 14 inches, melted together to form a loop. Colors we're going to be working with is black, blue, and red. The black and the blue are both 60 inches or 152.4 centimeters. The red is quite a bit longer. It's 84 inches or 213.36 centimeters. Well, let's get started. And here we go. Down through the loop. Up over here. Half on this side. Around. Up from the back. And down through. On the other end, same thing. Go down, up on this side, over, up under, back and through, and we take these two and we melt it together, and yep, we're done. Now, to get working with things, the working ends. The back through, and we center it. The blue come back here behind the black, and we center it. And we take the red. We put it in. Alright, here we go. Now I'm going to try to be slow and consistent with this. Black is going to lead. We go under to the middle and across to the left side. Take the black from left, goes up through the middle and across, and leaving a loop. Now we take the blue underneath everything, come in between 3 and 4, right, and down through the loop. We take the blue on the right side, under everything, come up between 1 and 2, and down through the loop. And I need to put this black on the other side. There we go. Now, we take the red from the right side, put it up to the loop, goes across, diagonal, goes underneath and up, right here on this side, on the right side, pull across, and set it down. The red from the left side goes up, goes across, comes under, and right through there again to the center, and kind of see where it is, from the red and goes all the way across. Kind of slide everything up and now the key to this one is kind of keeping the red tight, but you don't want to over tighten the black of the blue unless you can keep it consistent. Now the blue, oh, forgot this, red on the right side goes down between 3 and 4 on the right side, and it goes toward the front. The red on the left side goes down between 1 and 2, and pull it all the way up to the front, and slightly out of the way. Okay, now blue is leading. Goes over everything, down, under, and up through the middle. Blue on the left side goes over everything, and let's just say behind this red, this blue, up and over and to the left. Now the black from the right side comes up between 3 and 4 and goes down between the loop and off to the side. Black on the left side under everything, up between 1 and 2, and then goes down on the side of the blue. The red on the right side comes up through the blue on the loop, over everything, goes across, comes up under, and comes up in the center, in between 2 and 3. Comes up, and then up in front. The red on the left side comes up through the loop, goes across, diagonal, comes under, and up between 2 and 3 on the left side, and pull it up. Kind of slide everything up. And something nice I found out about this one, once you get the thing done, you take the red, you don't have it really, really tight, but you pull it and it kind of straightens everything else up. Now you take the red, it's on the right side, go down in between 3 and 4, and tuck it up to the front. Red on the left side goes down between 1 and 2, and take it up to the front, to the left side. Okay, now black leads again, goes over, comes under from the bottom, between 2 and 3, And you have the black from the left side. Comes up in front of this black. And goes across to the right. Now take the blue from the right, stays under everything, and from the bottom up between 3 and 4, down through the loop on the right side. The blue from the left side goes underneath everything on the bottom, comes up between 1 and 2, and goes off to the side. Now, the red from the right side comes up through the loop, diagonal, across, and down, comes up under everything, and then right through the hole to the right side. Set down. The red on the left side comes up through the loop, diagonal across to the right side, goes up under everything, through the middle between 2 and 3, and off to the side, the left side. I push everything up. Take the red, kind of tighten everything down with it. Okay. Now take the red, go down between 3 and 4. And then up to the left side, between 1 and 2, and then go